everyone, welcome to you all in my video. So today I'm going to show you my Pond5 earning proof. So it's so much easy to make money online from Pond5. So if you have also stock media, music, SFX, After Effects, templates and illustration, then you can sell those things in Pond5. So you can easily make money from Pond5. So today in this video I'm going to show you the earning proof. Okay. So I'm just going here and I'm just clicking in the dashboard here, and now you can see here my balance here. It is showing that my total balance is 4.63. So if I click in the financial, maybe it will show my earning proof here. So my account balance is, now you can see here, $4.63. So in this way you can make money online from Pond5. It is not too much big money, but for the stock photographers this is not a small money. Okay, so if you want to also earn money from Pond5, then you can sign up in Pond5 from my sign up link, which is given in the video description. And if you want to see, or if you want to check my stock earning proof, then you can check my previous video.